They're having your ritual dance. You guys are funny. You guys are funny.
What about the female in the back? Give her something.
It's not a female, it's a juvenile.
That's my full stop.
These guys are the adults. It's funny watching them dance around like that.
I know, and you just stopped. You brought him out this stuff. Hey, you guys want this? Hmm? Oh, it's not a dance. That's not a ritual, man. He's pissed.
He's trying to ward
No,
you off.
he's that's exactly what that was. I'll jump up in the air and scratch you in the face.
I'm not scared of him at all.
Yeah, go up there and mess with the little junior right there.
Eat the grape.
I'm not happy with you. You coming over here and bust your balls, man.
You try this little